Hello, I'm Zoe. In this episode of Drive Go Go I will present the new BMW Z4. BMW is announcing its famous two-seater roadster. The new Z4 exterior is keeping vertical headlamp, a stretched hood and the spoiler integrated into the trunk lid, which are characteristic of the Z series look. Another classic element is the textile soft top, however it is electrically operated. The interior has a driver-oriented design. BMW is giving to the new Z4 its best technologies. Electrically adjustable seats with memory, ambient light, Harman Kardon surround sound system, head-up display and BMW Live Cockpit Professional are offered in the new Z4 Special First Edition. For now, BMW only shared the information about the M40i engine. It will produce 340 horsepower to do the 0 to 100 in 4.6 seconds. More details will come at Paris Auto Show. Those are the main characteristics. Visit our website to learn more. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to not miss the next one. Thank you for watching. See you soon on Drive Go Go.